Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to wash Ruby and then we will take Wolfie to dog park. Let's go.
We're gonna check if the water is on because it's a little cold outside and we don't go to normal car washes too, so they don't scratch it.
Yeah. Let's see the dirty Ruby. Hi girls. We are about to come to the gas station. We are going to check the water if it's running because they close it for the winter. Because
I think it's closed.
is it?
Yeah.
I see a car.
Yeah, but they probably park those cars. Yeah, look, there's nobody around.
yeah,
They park
it's-
them on there so that people don't even bother.
Oh no.
Well, there goes our plan.
Okay, new plan.
Wait, let me pull over and see if there's any others washes. No, the problem is that it's too cold.
So it's closed.
Yeah.
Okay, then we don't wash today. Okay, new plan. We are not washing the Ruby today because it's all closed and we decided to get some breakfast
And coffee.
and coffee
Coffee.
and pick up Wolfie and take him to the dog park.
So he can be a crazy husk.
Yay, crazy husk.
Crazy husk.
Apparently it's too cold to open these machines.
It's not freezing though, so if I'm willing to be cold washing it, then
Yeah.
they should allow us to.
I agree.
Yeah.
Yeah, Wolfie right now. We are going to the dog park. He is excited. Unfortunately, we can't open the back windows, but he's trying to see outside. Hello. Wolfie, come. Come here. Sit. Sit. Come on. Okay. Yes, we are here. Wolf is so excited. Let's go. Come. Come on, come on, come on. Wolfie, come.
Surprisingly, he's chasing. No jasno, tylko w Warucie się dało to po wodę dla niego.
Time to go home. Let's go.
We drank all the water.
Okay, right now we are going back home. We will rest and then get ready for our belated Valentine's Day dinner.
Yeah.
We'll get ready.
Which is a surprise.
Yeah, I don't know where we are going, so we will see. So I will try to record a little bit of that. Yeah.
If you don't get distracted with all the food.
Can't promise that.
Peace.
Let's go home, relax, and buy some alphabet. We are ready and going to Manhattan.
Yeah, but